And we have a couple of showers, but thankfully we're not dealing with that crazy wet weather pattern that we had about a week ago that stretched into Labor Day and even into Tuesday. We've kind of shut off that tap. Actually, that's all moved north to North Florida, where they're getting some heavy rainfall into the weekend. We have these quick showers, and we have a couple of rumbles of thunder that have been popping up around the Treasure Coast, around Port St. Lucie. That is starting to fizzle out. Won't last much longer, but a couple of downpours just west of 95. Actually, kind of moving into 95, and in Palm Beach County, all quiet right now, but you might want to bring the umbrella as you head out on Friday evening. There could be a quick shower or two, not everywhere though. In the tropics, two systems. This one now has a medium chance of developing as it moves across the Yucatan and eventually into the Gulf of Mexico. More than likely gusty wind and rainmaker for coastal Texas and Mexico heading into, I would say, the early to the middle of next week. And then this has a very low chance of developing. It's in the central Atlantic. Temperatures are in the high 80s and low 90s, and as Kate said, you factor in the humidity, it is just super hot. Our heat index numbers into the triple digits almost everywhere. They're a little bit cooler around Fort Pierce and Vera, only because we've got a little more cloud cover settling in the last hour. So heading out this evening, rain chances are low after about 6:30 tonight. We will see a few isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder popping up for tomorrow afternoon and Sunday afternoon. But this is a whole different weather pattern from what we dealt with last weekend. I mean, there were hints of sunshine, but there wasn't a lot of sun. And by the afternoon, we just turn on the tap. It won't be quite like that this weekend, which is nice. Lots of times to get outside. Seas running about 2 to 4 tomorrow, light chop, and nice beach weather. 70s and low 80s for overnight lows. Lots of clouds and obviously some rain in the next hour and a half, and then tapering off after that. Tomorrow, we're up to 91, similar to today. Isolated rain. In fact, the rain chances won't be as widespread as we've seen today in the 7-day forecast. Good looking Sunday. We get into some more rain starting next Tuesday and then through the end of next week.